There are no secrets to success. It is the result of strong will, determination, and the grace of God. Success is not hard to find when backed with integrity and innovation. This is the business philosophy of Devu Chem LLP. Welcome to Devu Chem LLP, India's fast emerging powerhouse in industrial chemistry, delivering next-generation metalworking fluid solutions with a global mindset. Founded with a mission to serve the evolving needs of industry, Devu Chem has grown into a trusted name in industrial fluids, rust preventives, lubricants, and specialty chemicals. With a blend of German technology and local manufacturing excellence, we are redefining metalworking innovation in India. Our growth stands on four unshakable pillars: customer satisfaction, quality, reliability, and innovation. Our vision is to become the most compelling name in lubricants, metalworking fluids, and industrial chemicals by embracing next-generation technology and delivering unmatched value. With a production capacity of 3,600 KL per annum and a 40,000 square feet facility in Rajkot, we are India's top industrial hub, backed by 30 plus years of experience and ready to serve both domestic and global markets. Our proprietary in-house manufacturing process starts with carefully sourced raw materials, each undergoing rigorous quality checks. We are ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 certified. Our infrastructure includes state-of-the-art laboratories, precision testing, and a dedicated R&D division. Our product range includes metalworking fluids, Ester-based emulsion type, metalworking neat type cutting oils, rust preventive fluids and coatings, hydraulic and circulating oils, quenching oils, Aquas Cleaners, rolling, forging, forming, stamping, and punching oils, and metal surface treatment chemicals. We also offer customized solutions tailored to specific customer needs and industrial applications. What sets us apart is our ability to co-create with clients. We formulate products based on detailed process parameters, delivering optimized, reliable, and cost-effective solutions. From automotive to aerospace, die and mold to general engineering, our clients count on the efficiency, strength, and consistency of our solutions. Our people are our biggest strength. Devu Chem LLP is driven by a strong, dedicated team of engineers, chemists, technicians, and thinkers, fostering a culture of excellence, accountability, continuous learning, and collaboration. We are committed to sustainable future, from eco-conscious formulations to energy-efficient manufacturing. Our ongoing R&D aligns with global environmental goals and responsible industrial practices. While we think global, we act local. We support the Make in India mission through innovative and localized approaches that benefit both India and the world. Our long-term partnerships across India and abroad reflect our unwavering commitment to quality, trust, and service excellence. Devu Chem LLP is more than a manufacturer. We are your trusted partner in performance. Discover the next generation of industrial chemical solutions. Partner with us and let's shape the future of industry together.